Today I'm going to show you exactly how to upload documents to a Confluence page, so you can easily share files and resources with your team, keep your documentation organized, and make your Confluence pages way more useful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know 3 different ways to upload documents, plus a few tips to make sure you're choosing the method that's quickest and most efficient for what you need. Let's dive right in. First things first. To upload any files to Confluence, you need to be in edit mode. Think of edit mode as your workspace. It's where you have the power to change, add, or organize your content. If you forget this step, your uploads just won't stick. To enter edit mode, simply click the little pencil icon at the top of your page, or if you like keyboard shortcuts, just press the letter E on your keyboard. If nothing seems to happen when you try to upload, double-check you see that you're in edit mode. Now that you're ready to go, the fastest and most straightforward method is the good old drag and drop. This is truly as easy as it sounds. Just open up a folder on your computer, grab the document or file you want to upload, and drag it right onto your Confluence page in your browser. You'll see a highlighted area appear showing you exactly where your file will be placed. Once you let go, Confluence will begin uploading your file automatically. It's just like pinning a note to a corkboard, except you don't even need a thumbtack. And if you're uploading a lot of files, you can actually drag and drop several at once to make the process even faster. Don't worry if your internet is a bit slow. Larger files might take a few moments to appear, but you'll get a progress bar so you know it's working. If you're someone who likes clicking options instead, or maybe you're on a device that doesn't support drag and drop, the toolbar method is perfect for you. With your page in edit mode, look up at the toolbar that runs across the top center of the editor. You're looking for the Files and Images icon. It looks kind of like a little landscape painting. Click that, and you'll get a prompt to select Upload a File. This opens up your system's file browser so you can navigate to exactly the document you want and double-click to add it. It's a bit like ordering from a menu. Instead of grabbing something from your kitchen, you get to look around and pick the exact file without any guesswork. Once you've selected your file, it'll start uploading right onto the page. And for those of you who love speed, or if you're a seasoned Confluence user, there's a shortcut using the / command. While you're on the page in edit mode, just type a / or / and then type File. You'll see an option appear labeled Image, Video, or File. Click on that and it instantly opens your file browser so you can select whatever you want to upload. This method is quick, efficient, and it keeps your fingers on the keyboard if you're on a productivity roll. Take your time with whichever method feels most comfortable for you, and remember, you can always rearrange or remove files later if you change your mind. And that's it. You now have 3 easy ways to upload documents to a Confluence page. I hope this helps you keep your pages organized and makes working with your team smoother. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or want to share your own tips for working in Confluence, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.